Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 E350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the luxury package, which is going to give you the luxury interior and exterior appearance. 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige Ambitex interior paired with a burl walnut wood trim. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our E350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, set all season and regular floor mats, comfort box, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera. This one also does come with navigation, a hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This E350 has 32,549 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.